Hey guys, smart money watches something that's called MVRV because it shows when markets are overheated and when they're quietly basically resetting before the next major pump in the market. Now what this chart is showing right now about XRP is one of the most important signals that we have seen in a while, so let me break it down. So first off, what does MVRV even mean? Now MVRV stands for market value versus realized value. Market value is simply XRP's current price and realized value is the average price people actually bought XRP at. So the MVRV ratio basically tells us one thing: are most investors in profit or are they around break even or at a loss? This matters because markets behave very differently in each phase. Now in this chart, the gray line is XRP's price and the orange line is the realized price, the average holder's cost. The purple line is the MVRV ratio itself. Now here's the key thing: when the MVRV gets very high, it means everyone is in big profit, and that's when markets overheat and tops form. Now when the MVRV drops low, it means that most people are in a loss, and that's when long-term opportunities usually appear. Now if you look back across XRP's previous cycles, every major peak happened when the MVRV spiked into extreme high levels. For example, here in November, December 2024, the MVRV, so this purple line, peaked very high, and that was very close or at XRP's market peak. And also in 2021, you can see that here, MVRV peaked very high, and that was literally the bull run peak for XRP in that specific cycle. Now here's the crucial thing: right now XRP's MVRV ratio is sitting around 1 to 1.1. So if you focus on this red line, you can see that the purple line is currently around 1, and that means the average XRP holder is basically in a loss right now. This means that weak hands were shaken out, and that's basically the area where smart money accumulates and the market quietly builds energy for the next big move to come. So to put it simple, guys, the market has cooled. We're right now sitting in that historical reset zone. So I think that we're getting very close to the next major move. This basically tells us that XRP is currently at a very attractive buy. So personally, I think that right now is a pretty bad time to exit this market. Of course, I can't give you financial advice, and I also can't predict when exactly that next major pump for XRP and for crypto is coming, but I do know that the current prices are very attractive to this, according to this historical metric.
And by the way, guys, if you're looking for a trusted and reliable trading brokerage, I will highly recommend Capital, SureTrade, which have made trading very easy and much profitable. My links are down below. You can proceed to registering your trading account and earn as an advanced trader, as the trade are being carried out automatically by the trading bots, which makes profits guaranteed, ensuring over 10 to 20% profit daily, depending on your investment portfolio. Trading systems save traders from the risk of being liquidated while trading, because the trading risk is being handled by the risk management team. So that was a quick update. Back to the video.
And the last thing that I want to show you guys is actually XRP on its monthly time frame. We talked about this before. This is actually an upward trend line, yearly support that goes all the way back to 2017. As you can see, multiple touch points. And right now we are exactly testing this trend line. We had a bounce so far, but let's see if we can get follow through in the next couple of days, couple of weeks. But I do think that XRP is still looking bullish here in the long term. And I still think that this is the right time to accumulate, the right time to be in the market. But of course, that is just my opinion. And also, if you look at the monthly stochastic RSI, you can see that we are extremely oversold. The monthly stochastic got completely reset, and this is basically the range of accumulation.